welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a cute planner, digital planner, or you can print that out. So anyways, let's get started. So I have opened Canva as usual, and you can search for planner or you can just scroll to the side and you will see a planner option. So just click on that option. Okay guys, so this is in A4 size sheet size, so you can change the size if you want. So there are, as usual, lots and lots of cute thumbnails, templates. So I guess I'll choose one now. That's really good. Take this one. You have personal planners, weekly planners, daily planners, more and more, project planners, work schedule planner, workout planner, many more. So I'll just choose a personal planner. That's a pro one. You know what, I'll just go with this. This is how it would look. As usual, you can change anything in here. Change the color of the font, move the boxes and all of those. But for me, this is all I need. You can delete this box if you want. Just do anything with it. You can change the colors of it, like that, colors of the background. You can make your own color if you want that. See, it's really nice, and I'm just gonna click download, and yeah, that's how you do it. You can print them out if you want. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.